Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful SUVs ever built, the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known for its unmatched performance and raw American muscle, the Durango Hellcat has always been a symbol of power and practicality combined. The 2026 model takes this legend even further with refined styling, enhanced tech, and more control than ever before. Let's take a closer look at what makes this beast the ultimate family performance SUV. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat brings an aggressive, new design that perfectly matches its performance DNA. The front end features a reworked grille with larger air intakes, improved aerodynamics, and a more sculpted hood with functional vents for better cooling. LED headlights and taillights give it a sharp, modern look, while new color options and wheel designs let you personalize its intimidating presence. Inside, the cabin is premium yet sporty, with suede accents, performance seats, and red stitching that remind you this SUV means business. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat continues to roar with a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 engine producing an astonishing 710 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive, it launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. Dodge has fine-tuned the suspension for better cornering stability and improved ride comfort, while upgraded brakes provide exceptional stopping power. Despite its size, the Durango feels remarkably agile, making it both a daily driver and a track-ready performer. Safety and technology. The new Durango SRT Hellcat blends brute power with cutting-edge technology. It features an updated Uconnect 5 system with a 12-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system for immersive audio. Safety gets a boost too, with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, and forward collision warning now more refined and responsive. The digital driver display adds customizable performance data, letting drivers monitor everything from G-forces to boost pressure in real time. Conclusion? The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat isn't just an SUV, it's a statement of pure power and performance. With breathtaking speed, head-turning design, and everyday usability, it continues to dominate its segment as the ultimate muscle SUV. Whether you're hitting the highway or the drag strip, this beast is built to thrill. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and first looks at the most exciting machines on four wheels.